Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by ensuring you have recording access. You need to be the organizer or be granted permission. In Teams, locate the meeting chat or channel where the recording appears. Once you find the recording entry, click the three dots or the overflow menu to reveal options. Make sure the recording has finished processing. Downloads appear only after processing completes. If it is a channel meeting, the file will be in the Teams SharePoint folder instead of OneDrive. Once you open the recording link, choose Open in OneDrive or Open in SharePoint depending on where it lives. You will see a file viewer. Click Download to save the MP4. When prompted, pick a folder on your computer and confirm. Downloads typically go to the Downloads folder unless you change it. If the Download button isn't visible, use the ellipsis menu in the File Viewer or click More Actions. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct account tied to the meeting. After the download completes, play the MP4 on your computer to confirm audio and video synced correctly. If the file is corrupt or incomplete, try downloading again. Sometimes network interruptions cause partial files. If you can't find the recording link, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or attempt the download using a different browser. Finally, if permissions or retention policies prevent export, escalate to your team's admin. Ask them to grant access or provide the file directly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.